The jewel box system has a 5-axis positioner, so we can move the object XY. We can move it in the Z axis for magnification. We can rotate it 360 degrees, and we can tilt it up and down 45 degrees. So we can do a full analysis. So when looking at a BGA, for example, we can examine the BGA and then look to see if we have any opens or insufficient reflow, or we can identify not just a void, but the location of the void. So all of these features are very helpful and useful in doing analysis. Other things such as looking through a via. Here we can see solder balls within a via. We can see cracks. So it's a very useful feature, very user-friendly, and this is all part of the JewelBox 70T and 70LC X-ray systems.